Welcome to Brightsquid Secure Mail. In this short video demonstration, we'll be looking at the Message Templates feature that allows you to reuse message content and quickly send similar or identical messages to patients and professional colleagues. This time-saving feature is available now. Let's take a look at how it works. Start by going to the Compose screen, where you create messages to send to a recipient. Notice this new drop-down list next to the Send button at the bottom of the composition screen. Here you can select from your personalized list of message templates. Notice that when you select your template, it will overwrite and delete any data you have already entered, including any attachments you may have selected. So I recommend you choose your template first and make customizations after. In this instance, I will select the COVID-19 screening questionnaire that I want to send to a patient prior to their upcoming appointment. Just point and click, and instantly the message content is populated with my custom message. Notice that the message has built-in placeholders that will automatically populate with the recipient's and sender's names. Now I just address the message as always and click Send. Users can also send the same message simultaneously to multiple recipients. Just add more contacts to the To field. And don't worry, all your patients will get a custom message and will not see the full list of recipients. Now let's take a look at creating your own custom content. Navigate to Settings and look for the Templates tab at the top of your screen. Here is the Template Management tool. If you do not see the Templates tab, you may need to upgrade your account or speak to your Brightsquid Clinic administrator to access this feature. Brightsquid has included a preset list of templates to help you get started. You can edit and customize these templates to your preference or create all new templates from scratch. In this case, I'm going to create a template from scratch. Click on Create New Message Template to get to the creation screen. Give your template a name. This is the part of the template that will appear on the composition screen when you are selecting the template, but it will not be visible to your recipient. Then, give your message a subject line. This part of the template will be visible to your recipient. And lastly, the secure body of the message goes into this space at the bottom. Type in your message or copy and paste it from an external source like a Word document. Optionally, you can add in these placeholders in the salutation and sign-off of the custom message. Furthermore, you can add attachments to your template. This will reuse the exact same attachment in every instance where this template is deployed. Browse to the location on your computer or drag and drop the attachment to make it a part of this template. Then click Save Template, and the new template will be instantly available to you and all your colleagues in your clinical organization. So now if we go back to the Compose page and create a new message, you can see our new template available here. If you have any questions about this or any other secure mail feature, please contact our support team at support.brightsquid.com. Thank you.